Hey folks, welcome to the Camping Post. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about how to remove the cover for the panoramic window on the 2021 Sol Dawn Rover. First, we start by unsnapping the snaps at the top. I usually work top to bottom. As you see, I'm going across and finishing off with the last few. The order is not as important when taking it off. First thing I try to do is match the angle of the groove that's holding the cover on. You may need a steps tool to reach. I'm a tall guy, so I don't need to do that. But matching that angle helps me slide it off a lot easier. Typically, I will fold that in half and throw it on our tongue jack. Now to put it back on, I am on a stool here. Once again, I am going to try and match the angle of the groove. That makes it a lot easier to slide on. And then I will start to feed that in, matching the groove as I go along and feed the cover across into that groove. As you can see, it slides much easier when you are matching that groove. I actually have a spot in the middle that gets caught up a lot, and it didn't even get caught that time. Then to secure in place, I simply start at the top, snapping the top snaps in place, going down the side. Then I go over to the other side to make sure I can stretch that across to get the other one to snap into place. Then I'll go down that side as well, and then do the ones at the bottom. One thing you'll want to make sure you do is before you take off that all of those are securely in place, because the last thing you want to do is have a rock hit that windshield and crack it, because they are expensive to replace. As an alternative, you can get some Velcro cable carriers. Then you can just unsnap and then roll up the cover and then hold it in place with these little Velcro straps. That way you don't have to take the whole thing off. It's especially nice if you're only staying one night. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and be sure to check our affiliate links below if you make a purchase that is at no cost to you, but it does help support our channel. Thanks for watching and happy camping.